Hello students, good morning. I am Dhirendra Kumar, Modern English School, New Area, Senior B. This is second part of video lecture for class 7, History, chapter 4, the Mughal Empire. Students, today we will study about military campaigns of Mughal. Who was founder of Mughal Empire in India? Dear students, no doubt Babur was founder of Mughal Empire in India. Babur ascended the throne of Fargana in 1494 when he was only 12 years old. But due to invasion of Mongol group Uzbek, he had to leave ancestral throne and wandered hither and thither for years. And in 1504, he captured the Kabul and collected a vast group of military and defeated Ibrahim Lodi at Panipat in 1526 and finally captured Delhi and Agra. Dear student, when you study carefully the chart given on next pages, you will notice something. Who were contemporary to Mughal Empire? Who were enemies of Mughal Empire? Who were threat to the Mughal Empire? How was relation of Mughals with Ahom, with Sikh and with other rulers? How was relation of Humayun with Safavid of Iran? And how this was different from relationship at the time of Akbar? Students, after Babur, I am going to give you legend. I am going to give you legends of rulers after Babur. After Babur, Humayun became the ruler of India. But Humayun was defeated by Sher Shah Suri and he ran away for 15 years. After wandering 15 years with the help of Safavid, he attacked India again and became the ruler of India. After Humayun, Akbar became the ruler of India. He was very successful ruler. And he established marital status with Rajput. He ruled the country very wisely. He never tried to insult defeated rulers. He provided honor to the defeated rulers and he persuaded the defeated rulers to be subordinate to the Akbar. That's why empire of Akbar increased rapidly. After Akbar, Jahangir became the ruler of India. Jahangir was also a very successful ruler. He made so many buildings and mosques. After Jahangir, Shah Jahan, which is very famous for building Taj Mahal. After Shah Jahan, Aurangzeb became the ruler of India. But reign of Aurangzeb brought end to the Mughal Empire. He was no doubt very cruel ruler. And after Aurangzeb, Bahadur Shah Jafar became the ruler, but Bahadur Shah Jafar was defeated by Mughals, and I mean to say that after Mughal Empire, British came to India. Students, I am going to upload tables or introduction of rulers after Babur. Read those very carefully and try to understand this. And if you find any difficulty, call me and make your problems solved. That's all. Have a nice day. Stay at home to fight with Corona.